In this video training, we're going to learn how to build our own cryptocurrency mining or investment website. On this website, users can see their potential revenue or estimated revenue by using this profit calculator. Let me show you quickly how this calculator works. Users are going to select their coin, something like Bitcoin. They'll pick a plan, and I'll be showing you how you can also create your own plans in this single video. So we'll pick our plan, let's say the plus plan, and they're going to see their estimated revenue. There's a lot of confusing circulating online about this exact mining website, and I hope to address that confusion later in this video. So stick around and never skip any part of this video, because this is going to be wild. Before we start this video training, let's see a full demonstration of the website we will be creating in this video. So this is the exact website we're going to be setting up in this video training. The first part I'll be showing you is the demo, and that's what you're seeing. This is our front end. On top, we have our navigation, which contains our logo to the left, our menus, and then some buttons. User can click here to log into your system. They can also click here to register an account on your website. Because a lot of people will be watching this video, I'll be showing you how you can replace this logo for your website. Beneath, we have a notification area. You can display any notice on top here. Scrolling down, we have a hero area, and this hero area contains these graphics, our text, and then a button user can click to get started. We can also link this button to our registration form. Scroll down, we have our brief about us. You can enter a brief about us here or about your website there. There's another animation here that you can replace. A button they can click to go or to read more about your website. Scrolling down, we have your website features. You can display your website features here. Continue scrolling. We have our profit calculator. Users can click a coin, choose a plan, and then they'll be able to see the estimated revenue. Scrolling, we have your services. You can showcase your other services here. Your pricing packages or plans. Users can pick the plan they want to invest. These packages will show them their return on investment. Your users can also refer other members to your platform and then earn what we call referral bonuses. Scrolling down, we have testimonial area, frequently asked questions, your statistics, and I'll show you how you can change all these figures, your blogging area, your newsletter, and then a footer area which shows your logo, a brief about us, social icons. I'll also be teaching you how you can link your social networks here. We have useful links, your other links, and you can link this to your legal pages, and then language switcher. Users can switch this site to a different language. Finally, we have copyright text button they can click to go back to the hero area, just like this. And that's a quick rundown on your homepage. The things you need to know about your homepage is then time I demo users dashboard, how your users dashboard is going to look like. After that, I'll also show you how your dashboard will look like, because that's where you are going to be controlling your website. Before users can sign in to your website, they need an account. So they first of all click on sign up, and they are taken to a page or a registration form just like this. They enter their details and then accept your terms and click on sign up. Once an account is created, they will ask to log in. There's a button here they can click, or a link here they can click to to log in right away on your website. So let's enter our details. I'll click and enter my details, okay, like this, and then I'll click on sign in, and I'll be taken to my dashboard. So this is how your users dashboard is going to look like. They're going to see available balance on their wallets, okay. So here they have their USD balance, Litecoin balance, Bitcoin balance, and what have you. They can see their total referrals here. They can also see their referral link by scrolling down, and they can use this link to refer other members to your platform, where they can earn bonus. See, earn a percentage of whatever plan your referred user buys, okay. And this displays their investment graph as well as referral bonuses. Scrolling down, users can buy a plan. They can see their purchase log. They can fund their account and use the account to buy plans or upgrade. Users can request for a payout. They can see payout history. User can click on this profile picture and then go back to their dashboard. They can see their transactions, their wallets. So let me click on wallet, scroll down, and these are all their wallets, okay. These are their wallet addresses in their dashboard. They can update their wallet addresses, and these are the addresses you're going to be paying them through, okay. Once a request is made, you transfer the money to their preferred payment wallet. Right, I hope the idea is simple. So they can update that through their back end. I'll click again. They can change their profile settings. You can see their referrals, support tickets, two-factor authentication, and then they can click here to log out of your system. Let me now show you how users are going to buy your investment plans. So I'll click on plan list, and these are your available plans. You can pick the wallet or the coin they want to buy, and under each coin we have packages. So this Bitcoin mining plan, you can scroll down and you'll see your packages. This package costs 50 USD. You can also enter your own price, and this is the investment duration, 10 weeks. You'll get their return on investment. You can also specify the amount they will be getting in return. You can click here, buy now, to make purchase. Hey guys, let's take a look at our control panel. That's the admin's dashboard. So enter your website name and put admin. Hit enter, and you're taken to a page like this. Enter your admin username and admin password. I'll be showing you how you can enter your own admin username and password, or how you can set your own admin username and password. But right now, the default username and password are admin. But because of security reasons, I'll be showing you how you can change these details on your website after we set it up. Click on sign in and wait, and we are redirected to our admin dashboard. The first thing you get, or the first notice you see after logging in, is your cron job setup. Cron jobs are used to set automated taxes, okay, something like investment updates. Users are going to get investment updates, email notifications with the help of cron jobs. So it's very important we set up crons. But for now, I'm only showing you your admin area, what you need to know about your admin area. After that, or after we set up the site, I'll then show you how to configure your dashboard. So what you're seeing right now is your general stats. of what is going on in your website. Total users, active users, total users joined today, total funds, payment information, deposits, plan sale information, a lot. Okay, plan sale stats. So these are graphs, okay, and charts. All mining wallets. See, ticket. These are support tickets. Your latest users can be found here. You can click here to log in as this user. You can edit this user. You can send email to this specific user. Here you can specify role permission to other users. So if you, let's say you have a team or you have other people you're working with, you can click here, add new, enter their email or create an account for them and assign their rules, what you want them to be doing on your website. After that, you click on save. They'll be able to log into your site and have access to only the areas you specify or you assign to them. We have identity form. This is very important because you want to know your clients. So this is what we call KYC, know your customers. You'll be able to set a form where users will be uploading their passports, their national IDs or their driving license, because you don't want to have spam or spammers on your site. Because of that, you need to have this process where users will be able to make their account secured. That way you know the kind of people you are dealing with. We have your investment area, and this is what we call your miner list. Inside here, you'll be able to set your coins, let's say Bitcoin, Litecoin, and those things. Here you can create plans. You can see your plan list. Scrolling down, commission settings, and this way you set up your referral bonuses, investment logs. Those who have assigned or who have signed up for an investment plan, you can see those things here. And here you can see the user, you can see their order ID, the plan they pick, the miner, which is Bitcoin, the price of that plan, the profit they'll get per day. You can assign that here, and then total days, and then remaining days, status or the status of this user, whether it's still active or inactive, and then you can click here to see more details about this plan. Scroll down. We have complete, and these are completed investments. All transactions can be found here. Commissions here. You can manage all your users here. Pending KYC, that's know your clients. You can see their ID cards or their verification. So right now, all these users verification process is still pending. You can click here to see their ID cards, and then you can either approve it or reject it. Scroll down. KYC logs. You can send email notifications to all your users. That can be found here. Your login logs, payment gateways. Your website comes with, or this system comes with a lot of payment systems that your users can make payment with. Bank transfer, authorize.net, block.io, Coinbase, blockchain, Flutterwave, Paystack, a lot. PayPal, okay. Scroll down, and we also have manual payment gateways. This is where you can set your manual payment gateways, deposit request. You can see those things here. Payment logs, your payout requests. You can see that here. When you go there, you'll be able to see those who have requested for payouts. Support tickets here. Subscribers list. Your controls. This is where you control your website. You can manage your website logo here. Breadcrumb. Website content can be modified here. Okay, so this gives a quick rundown on your dashboard, the things you need to know about your dashboard. We're going to set up the site. After we build the site, I'll then take my time and show you the things you need to know or how you'll be configuring your website. I'll show you step by step how to set up everything on this website. Example is how to set up your payment systems. I'll show you how to configure your payment methods on this website. Before we actually start building this website, I want to address some confusion YouTubers make. Some people are out there creating videos about this exact platform and they are causing confusion. They made their videos to look as if you simply click a button and then your website will start mining cryptocurrency whilst you sleep. That is not the case. So I'm going to clear that confusion and then I'll explain to you what you need to know about this platform. After addressing that issue, you decide whether this video is for you or not. Let's first of all understand what crypto mining is. When we talk of crypto mining, is the use of your computer CPU or power to accumulate or to generate cryptocurrency for free. And that's crypto mining. You don't need to make upfront payment to accumulate your cryptocurrency. But with our platform or with this website, users have to pick an investment plan and then choose their coin, whether they want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever. They'll make payment upfront and then get a return on investment. And this think of this as any other investment platform out there. And that means they're going to give you real money in exchange for cryptocurrency plus a return on investment after a given period of time. This process is called investment and not crypto mining. If you want to know more about crypto mining, go to YouTube and type crypto tap browser. Okay, this is a browser we use to mine cryptocurrency for free, and this uses what we call your website. You can also watch this video. So it uses your your computer's CPU or your computer's power to mine cryptocurrency. This can take up to months for you to generate or accumulate a significant cryptocurrency, and you'll be able to withdraw this currency. But our site is not like that. So other videos out there, those who are in my space, they create videos like this, and then they made it look as if it's a cryptocurrency mining website, just like this platform, I guess, shoot you. So those of you who are still interested in building crypto investment website like this, they can create packages. Users will buy your plans and then they'll get a return on investment for a specific given period. Then you can continue watching this video. That means this video is for you. But if that's not what you were expecting, then please don't waste your time watching this video. Go ahead and do other things. So if you're interested in building cryptocurrency investment platform, then continue watching this video, because there's a lot of confusion out there. People make that confusion on the internet, and then I don't want to also make that confusion. I want to address that issue. I even contacted the developer of the script or the software during my research in making this video. Sometimes I contact the developers to understand how these platforms work before I create my video tutorials, because I don't want to create fake videos online. So I asked him to explain this script, and then he asked me to read details and check the demo. So after digging deep, I got to realize this is similar to an investment platform and not mining. So the word mining shouldn't have been part of their branding. So if you are looking to start your own crypto investment platform or website, then continue watching. On your website, users are going to pay you real money in exchange for cryptocurrency plus a return on investment, and later they can withdraw their earnings. They're also going to be earning referral bonuses. If you are ready to build a website like that, where users will pick an investment plan, pay you money, and after a given period of time they get a return on investment and they get credited through their crypto wallets, then stay tuned, because right now we're going to see the things we need or we will need in order to build our own crypto investment website. Okay, so before you build any kind of website, it doesn't matter the kind of website you want to build, be it a business website, a blogging website, a shopping website, or any generic website. There are two things you need to get started, and that is a domain name and web hosting. If this is your first time hearing these terms, don't worry, let me explain. So when we talk of your hosting account, is a supercomputer, also known as a web server, that keeps your website live on the internet 24/7. They are the same computers that keep Google live on the internet and Facebook live on the internet. Just think of any website on this planet. They're the things that are keeping our websites on the internet 24/7. So the speed and performance of your website mainly depends on your hosting provider. The next thing we will need to build our website is domain name. Domain name is nothing but the address of your website. Google.com is a domain name. Pixabay.com is a domain name. Hoodly.com is a domain name. Canva.com is a domain name. It is the name people are going to use to always remember your website. And then anytime they want to come to your website, they type it on the web browser, the search box, and then hit enter and land on your website. You know, as human beings, we all have names. I'm called Solomon. You also have your name. It's your identity. Okay, so that's a domain name. With that being said, let's go ahead and purchase our domain name and web hosting from this hosting provider called makigohost.com. In the description of this video, you see a link which is get 50% off. Okay, click on that link, and that's an affiliate link. After you click on it, it will take you to a page just like this. Please, on top, hover on it and then click on shared hosting. You'll be brought to this page. Please go ahead and read what is here. Scroll down to their hosting packages. Makigo Host has 3 basic plans: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. But because we are getting started, let's choose their basic plan. Okay, now let me explain to you the features that come with the basic plan. With the basic plan, you can only host one website. You get 20 gigabyte SSD storage. Makigo Host is offering SSD and not HDD. Let me explain to you the difference. Now let's go to Google and then make a quick Google search on SSD versus HDD. Hit enter. Please click on images. Please click on this image. Now let's compare the two. When it comes to speed, SSD is faster than HDD. You can make most Google search on these storage technologies. Okay, SSD versus HDD. So looking at it, SSD is better than HDD. All right, so let's go back there, and then they have unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP account. You'll be able to set up 10 business emails. Having a website online, you need a business email. Every new client gets a free .com domain name for 1 year, and the renewal price is the same, and then 24/7 technical support, uptime guarantee 99.9. The longer you go, the bigger you save. Okay, so let's go ahead and then purchase the Go Basic plan from makigohost.com. Click on Other Hosting. You will be redirected to a domains registration page. This is where we're going to register our domain name. Please go ahead and enter your domain name here. If you already have a domain name somewhere and you want to transfer it over to Makigo Host, this is where you choose here, and then you enter your domain name and click on transfer. If you have an existing domain name somewhere, this is where you choose, and then you put your domain name here and then click on use. In this case, I'm going to register a new domain name, so I'll go with the first one and then I'll enter my domain name here. So I'll just put a testing domain name here and let's see. So this is my domain name, solo test, and then I pick my TLD, which is .com, .net, .org. This is where you pick your TLD. So if you want a .com domain name, please pick the first one. If you want .net, .org, in that order. I want to go with the .com domain name, so I'll leave it as default, and then I'll click on check. Now I'm going to check whether this domain name is available, and if it's available, it will tell us the domain name is available. And unfortunately, solomon.test.com is not available because someone registered it and is in use. Example is, if I type google.com here, I'll not be able to register this domain name because it is already owned by Google. And you can see google.com is unavailable. So what you have to do is to get creative and then come up with your own unique address. So I'll simply remove it and I'll put solotutorials.com and then click on check to see whether this domain name is still available or it has been taken. And congratulations, solomontutorials.com is available, and that means I can claim ownership of this domain name. So what we need to do after we get this congratulations message is we'll simply click on continue. And right now .com domain name is free on Makigo Host for 1 year, so you simply click on to continue. And you'll be redirected to this page. This way you choose your billing cycle, whether you want to go with them monthly, yearly, quarterly. Okay, so this way you choose that. I want to go with them yearly, like this, and then you go down and there are some add-ons you can add to your cart if only you find them necessary. Okay, SEO. But for tutorial purpose, I'm going to leave everything as it is, and then I'll click on continue. You will be taken to a domains configuration page, and this way you choose DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. Please, if you have the cash, go ahead and pick ID protection because it's going to protect your own identity on the internet. So you can pick that, but for now I don't have cash, so I'll untick it and then come down and click on continue. If you have reached to this part, congrats, because we are almost done. So this review and checkout page, you review your cart, the items that are in your cart or your basket, and then can see everything is looking good, and our domain name is free here. Okay, so we are only paying for the hosting, which is $299 every month. Multiplied by 12 months, you get this amount. That's annually. And then we scroll down and we have our add-ons here. If you want, you can add any of these to your cart, but for tutorial purposes I'm not going to do that. Now in the description of this video you see a coupon code TUP50, so go ahead and type TUP50 and you're going to get 50% off. This is a special deal for you. Okay, I've partnered with Makigo to give you 50% off. So just click on validate code. Congratulations, the promotion code is accepted. Now you're going to pay almost $18 today, and then you renew it as normal, which is going to be $48, because by then your domain name would be expired. Okay, so we click on checkout to make our purchase. Okay, to make payment. After you click on checkout, you're taken to this checkout page, and this is where you enter your personal data, your first name, last name, your email, your phone number, your password. Okay, and Makigo uses what we call password generator in order to get a secured password. That way it will be very difficult for hackers to compromise your account. You can increase the length of your password by putting something like 20 here, so that your password will be a little bit longer. Okay, and then you click on generate new password. You can see it has increased in what number. Then you click on copy, and then you can also click on copy to clipboard and insert like this, and your password is going to be inserted here for you. But make sure you paste your password somewhere safe, because you're going to forget this password, trust me. So just paste it somewhere in a notepad. After that, go ahead and then choose your country. Okay, this is very simple. Choose your country, and then we have 3 options here to make payment. The first one is Flutterwave, and we have Paystack, and then we have Encrypto. So if you have something like Bitcoin, you can go ahead and then make your payment using one of your digital wallets. So I'll fill my details and get to you on the other side of the screen. Alright, so after you click on complete order, you are taken to an invoice page just like this, and then you have the options to pick any of your payment providers, your favorites, and then the one I'm going to pick is Flutterwave, and beneath you can see a summary of your invoice and everything here. Okay, so I'll just click on here and then choose Flutterwave and then wait. Go ahead and enter your card number, click on pay. If you want, you can also pay with Google Pay, and this is my favorite, okay, because I have Google Pay connected to my Gmail. So I'll just click on Google Pay and then click on pay with Google Pay, and it will take me to my Gmail account, and then I'll make payment. Once payment is made, you will be redirected to your hosting dashboard or your client's area. Okay, so this is your client's area. In your case, you have one service here with one domain name. In my case, I don't have a domain name here because my domain name is somewhere, and that's the one I'm using to make my tutorials. This video is not about web hosting and cPanel, but if you want to learn about hosting accounts, how to manage your hosting account and your cPanel, how to create your business email, how to do what we call email forwarding. That way, anytime you receive an email into your business email, it gets forwarded to your Gmail account. I'll have a video in the description or in the card that will be talking to you about everything you need to know about your hosting account. I'll be walking you through everything about your hosting account as well as your cPanel. With that being said, let's go ahead and start building our website. After successfully buying your hosting and domain name, your website is going to look like this when you open it in your web browser. Okay, now there's a period or a process called domain propagation. Is that period your domain name takes to appear online. Your domain name might not appear online right away. Give your hosting provider up to 12 hours. Sometimes this can take longer than that or even lesser than that. Once you see this, it means your website is live. You are online. Congratulations. This is where we're going to be uploading our website. And there's a directory called public_HTML. Let's go back to our hosting dashboard. Click on services. Click on your hosting plan. Click on log into cPanel. cPanel is your control panel. That's where you use to control your website files. After that, inside the search box, type file. Click on File Manager. Look for a directory called public_HTML. This is called public because anything you put inside it will be rendered online. Open it. Right now it's empty, and you can see here it's empty. Let me put something inside it. I'll click on File. I'll give it a name, solo.txt. Click on Create File. Go back to your web browser, reload, and now you can see, because we put that file inside our public directory, is here. Let's enter some text inside it. So edit, click on edit. Enter some text. So text here. Click on save changes, go back, open it. Now you can see text here. If you give this link to anyone, the person will be able to access your site. And that means we're also going to be uploading our website files inside this directory for it to go live. So let's delete that file and then we confirm. We have successfully deleted our file. Now when we go there, it's not going to be visible again. See, 404 error, not found. All right, so now how do we get our website files, or how do we get access to our website files and then upload it here? Before you build a site, you need a programming language. Those of you who are new to web development, you need a language like PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Okay, so CSS, HTML, and database. Okay, so database connection, DB, database connection. These are languages that you need to learn and master before you build something closer to what I just showed you. Developers understood this and they have come out with already existing script that you can simply purchase one time, upload to your web directory, and have your site go live without necessarily touching a single line of code. And that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Most people don't know how to program, yet they want websites. Hiring a web design agency can cost up to $2,000 to build you something meaningful. Okay, can cost up to $2,000. All right, but with our platform, somewhere as low as $100, you have a fully functioning website. And nowadays we have people who build websites without even touching a single line of code. People build WordPress plugins and then they get successful with it. So it doesn't matter whether you program it or you buy already existing script. The most important part is marketing your platform and getting customers. 10% of your business is the code, but the remaining 90% of your business is marketing it and getting clients. So don't worry about buying an already existing script to build a website. Okay, it doesn't matter. So in the description of this video, you're going to see a link that says get script here. Click on that link and you'll be taken to a page just like this. This is a script we're going to purchase one time, which is $49 or let's say $50 plus your web hosting, which is not up to $50. When you combine it, it's not even up to $100, and you have a fully functioning website. Hiring a web design agency, I can only imagine the amount you'll be paying them to build you something like that. So I'm going to buy this script and then download it and get to you on the other side of the training, where we're going to be extracting it and uploading it to our web server to have our website go live. So also buy your script and then download it. Hey guys, I've successfully downloaded my script. Here is it. Let's extract it. So I'll right click on it, go to extract files, click on OK. You're going to see this folder, double click on it, and we have 3 files. One is a documentation, the other is an SQL file, and this contains your database. This is the actual script or the actual software we need to upload to our web server, which is 30 megabytes. Very, very small. Let's go to our web server. Let's now close this page. Let's close. Okay, so I think this one, let's just remove this and then open our main domain name. So just type your website domain, go to cPanel, make sure you're on public_HTML. If you're not there, just click on home, scroll down, go to public_HTML, double click on it, and you'll be redirected to your public directory. Click on upload, and then we're going to drag our file. So just go to home, desktop, open this folder, you extracted script, and we're going to drag this and we'll send it to our browser, and then we're going to drop it here. Let's wait for it to upload, and because this server is fast, see how fast it is uploaded. So let's wait for it to complete the upload process. When the process is complete, you're going to see this green mark, and that means we are good to go. Click on this link. Please click here, settings, and make sure show hidden files is what enabled like this. Click on save. After that, click on your zipped file and then click on extract. Click on extract files. After that, click on close. Scroll down, click on your zip again, that's project.zip. This time, delete it. Confirm, delete, confirm. Okay. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to create a database, because we will be configuring our website with our server. To create a database, go to File Manager or your cPanel and type DB. After that, click on MySQL databases. Let's give our database a name. Because this is a crypto site, let's put something like crypto DB. Click on create database. Click on go back. Scroll down. Go to users. Click here and type the same crypto user. Okay, so the first one was database. This one is user. Click on password generate. Copy this password. Make sure you put this password somewhere safe. Click here. I have copied this password in a safe place, and then click on use password. Before you forget, let's paste the password somewhere. Scroll down and click on create user. Click on go back again. Scroll down, and this time we're going to connect our user to our database. So let's click on user. Make sure you pick your user. Click on database and make sure you pick your database and click on add. After that, click on all privileges. Scroll down and click on make changes. Once you see success message, you're good to go. Just scroll back to the top and leave this page open just like this. Please go back to your site and let's first of all see the installation process. So put / and put install, and let's see if this uses. Okay, so just put install and hit enter. Click on check all requirements. Make sure to your right everything is green. Click on check permission again. This time make sure you allow these permissions. To do so, go to your file manager. Inside file manager we have bootstrap, cache. So go to file manager, scroll back to the top, bootstrap, open it, cache, click on this, put 775 and click on save. Go back, let's click here back. This time storage and app. So double click on storage, app, make sure it is what 775. Click on save. Framework, do the same thing, 775. Save changes. We have logs, do the same thing to your logs and click on save changes. Let's go back to our installation, and these are the files they ask us to change their permissions to what 775. Click on check again, and this time you should see something like this. Click on set up product, and we're going to enter our purchase code here and then our email here. After that, we enter our database connection here. After that, you enter your database host here. Put local host database name. The page I asked you to leave open, we are going there to copy our database name. So copy. Let's just copy everything once like this, and then we go back to that page and we're going to paste here. This is database. So from here I'll just remove everything. So go to your user and then paste. This time remove your database and leave only the user like this. Our password, remember that password I asked you to copy to paste it somewhere safe. We're going to paste that password here. So I'll go there, pick my password, copy, go back to my installation page, and then I'll paste my password here. After that, click on proceed. And you see a success message. Click on continue. If you see this error, go back to File Manager. Go to open this environment file. Click on Edit. Edit again. Please change this name to your website name. So, solo mine. Okay. This localhost, you can leave it. Okay. You can also put your website name there. Let me just put my site name there. Like this. After that, you see this false, put it true. Click on save. Open your site again. And if you still see an error like this, it means our database does not exist. So when you see it doesn't exist, it means no database. So we need to migrate some, or we need to import some database. See, a table was not found. Run migration. We need to migrate our data to cPanel. So how do you do that? Go to File Manager. Inside the search box, type PHP. Click on PHP My Admin. After landing on this page, just click on your database, and right now your database is empty. Click on import. Click on select file. Click here. Just navigate to wherever you extracted your file, your script. Go there. I'll open my script. Go to SQL. Double click and click on the what install. Or just pick your SQL. Make sure the ending is SQL, and then click on open. Scroll down and click on import. Wait patiently because it's importing some data to your website. And import has been successfully finished. Now let's check our site again and see, and our site is already live. Okay, so let's go back to our environment file. Change this true back to false, because you don't want your users to run into a technical error, right, like that. And then go toward save changes. After that, go back to your site, and your site is already live. Guys, is that not amazing? So now in this part of the video, I'll be showing you how to edit your demo content. But before that, let's change our admin details, because if anyone can just put admin like this on your site, and then see these are your admin details, and then log in. We don't want random users to log in as admin. So we want to change these details to prevent hacking, okay, or hackers. To do so, go back to your SQL, go to admin. If you don't know where to get there, please, or how to get there, just type PHP, go to PHP My Admin, click on that, and then you'll be brought to a page just like this. Wait for your database to load. After successfully loading the page, go to your database and click on it. go to admins, click on it. Please click on edit. Now we're going to edit our admin details. So the name, change it to your own admin name. Okay, something complex. Your admin email, change it to your own admin email. I have a video in the description that will show you how to create a business email, something like admin@yourwebsitename.com and not Gmail. Do not use Gmail for your business. Password, let's change our password. So click here, scroll down and pick password hash. After that, remove this mask because it's a secret feature. Okay, that's not the actual password. We want to mask it so that in case our site is hacked, they will not be able to trace our password. That's why it's maxed out. Now you can change your phone number here, your address here. Just make sure you leave this thing as they are. Don't touch anything there. If not, you damage your site. And then click on go. Let me show you this thing. Click on edit. Now see, your password has been encrypted and no one can have access to that password, even if they hack your account. Okay, they can't trace that password. So now go back to your sites. You can log out and log in using. So if you log in using this admin and passwords, you see email address and password are wrong. So that means you have to enter your admin details. All right, so enter your admin details and then I guess enter and click on login. Let's make this correction. Please go back to your admin, your PHP my admin. All right, let's scroll back to the top, go like this. Okay, please, we change the name and not the username, and we need the username to log in. So please, this is what we need to change. All right, this is what we need to change. So put your admin login there. After that, save changes again. And now your admin username is set. So this is the admin username. Go back, sign in again, and this time we are inside our dashboard. The very first thing you do after logging into your dashboard is to set up what we call cron job. So click on this link, go to cPanel, type cron, click on cron jobs, scroll down, and I have a lot of cron jobs here running. In your case, you are not going to see these things. Okay, so let me delete them and then delete. Okay, so let's add our cron job. So once you land on this page, scroll down, pick your common setting. So how many minutes, or pick your interval. Do you want your cron job to run every minute, every 5 minutes, or what? So I want my cron job to run every 5 minutes. You can also pick every minute. Scroll down and then paste your cron command here. The one that we just copied. Okay, I hope you can remember. We copied this, so paste. Let's now close these pages. Okay, because they are not necessary. So go back. Now you see this curl command. Please put wget, put this command there. Okay, this is a capital O dash kill O. All right, I'll put it in the description of this video so that you copy it and paste it here. Just paste that here and click on add new Chrome. After that, go back and pick your second Chrome, and then we're going to paste our second Chrome. Let's paste the command, and then I'll just do like this and then remove this curl thing because this server is not set to use that command. On top, remember to change your common settings and then click on add new cron, and our cron job is properly configured. Now close it. Okay, you can also go to basic settings, scroll down and then turn it off and click on save. Good job. So we're done setting the cron job. The next thing we're going to do is to now configure our website and then customize it. Let's begin by configuring our payment methods. So I'll show you how to set up one payment method and use that same method or that idea to set your other payment methods. So just click on payment methods and you see all your payment methods here. All these payment methods are active. Disable all those payment methods you don't want on your website by clicking on disable. After that, click on disable. If not, your site will have these payment methods that are not functioning or are not necessary. So just disable all of them and leave those you want on your site. So I will leave PayPal. I'll click on edit. This is the configuration page for this payment gateway. That's PayPal. First, its name, you can change it. The currency symbol, enter that here. So this is supposed to be like this. All right, minimum deposit amount. What's the minimum deposit or the minimum amount user can deposit via this payment method? So I'll put 1. The maximum they can deposit, we'll put a higher value, 1,000. The conversion rate, please, 1 USD is equal to 1 USD. Okay, because it's USD. All right, so just pick that currency, that's USD there. Fixed charge, you'll be charging them a deposit a month. So enter a percentage charge, maybe 20%, 10%, 5%, enter that there. Create a business PayPal account and they're going to give you this client ID and then the secret key. Paste them here. And then your fixed charge, can charge them $1 plus a 5% charge or 5% fee. After that, make sure the status is on and then you click on what? Save, and this payment method will be configured on your website. Do that for the rest of your payment methods, those you want on your site. Go to payment methods, something like this is my favorite, Flutterwave. Click on edit, leave the name as it is because you can even change it. The currency, now what is the currency or what currency are you going to be collecting? This site base currency is USD, so just leave it as USD. You can also change the currency to your own currency. Enter your conversion rate because it's $1. 1 USD is equal to 1 USD. Minimum percentage. Now this payment method, Flutterwave, inside your dashboard you will get access to your public key, encryption key, and then your secret key. Paste them here. Your charges, don't forget, and then make sure status is on, and then you click on save changes. And that's how you set up your payment methods in your dashboard. Let's go to general settings. So go to basic controls, and here you can change your website title here. So enter your website name there. For tutorial purposes, I'm going to put this as my website name. Your base color, pick your color. What is the primary color of your website? Pick that there. Time zone, pick that there. your base currency. If you want your site to have Ghana cedis as the base currency, Nigerian naira, whatever, just put that there. I like dollars because of that. One of my friends always say Doris, okay, Doris, but it's dollars. So I like dollars. We'll leave it as dollars and not Doris. Please, your currency symbol, enter that there. Fraction number, leave it as 2. So this is going to be a 2 decimal place. All right. Your pagination or paginate per page, just leave it as normal. Now joining bonus amount. How much do you want to give to a user when they join as a bonus? You can give them a bonus figure. All right, whatever. You can also leave it as 00. The joining bonus. Do you even want to have that feature? Yes. If you don't need it, turn it off. Plan sale commission. You can leave it on, and this will help in the referral system. Deposit commission. As they're depositing, you want to give them a commission. You can leave it as it is. You can turn strong passwords on. Enable locks. You can turn it on. Identity verification, very important. This is good for your KYC, that's know your customers. Address verification, important. Registration, turn it on. Maintenance mode, turn it off. And then click on what? Save changes. Go back to settings again. And we have plugin configuration. Please, this is talk to, okay? If you don't know what talk to is, it's a live chat system. Okay, it seems Makio host has it. Okay, this is talk to. When you click on it, see, this is a talk to. See that? So it's a live chat system that you can configure on your side. Let's go back and then you can click on the configure and configure your talk to. I have a resource list, okay? It's made of series of videos. Those videos will walk you through how to create talk to account, or how to configure talk to, how to configure reCAPTCHA, and I hope you know what it is, how to configure Google Analytics. Watch those videos and it will help you. So I assume you will do so. Go to email settings, go to email controls, and we are going to enable email notifications. If not, your website will never send out emails. Also, if you want to enable email verification, turn it on. I would recommend you to turn it on because it's going to help your website get a strong users or strong user verification whatsoever. So let's click on save changes. After doing that, scroll down from email, set your business email. In the resource videos I asked you to watch, there's a video, okay? It's like that's even the first video. That video will show you how to create a business email like this. Do that. Watch that video and then create your business email. From email name, put your site name there. All right. After that, SMTP configuration. Again, I have a video in the description that will show you how to set up SMTP. Without this, your website will never send out emails. That video will show you how to get host, your port, your encryption. It will show you how to get these details and configure. Please here, make sure you replace this logo with your logo, so you can delete it and then put your own logo there. And then save changes. And that's all. We are done with that part about notifications. Next up, let's talk about, go to payout request, and this is where you see or users who request for their payouts. You can find those users here. You can find their wallet address beneath there, and then you can make payment to those or to their preferred addresses. All right, very, very simple. Referral, go there, and here you can create referral systems. So now let me show you how to create referral levels. Those users who are in level 1 will have maybe 10% referral bonus. Level 2 will have 20% referral bonus, in that order. So just click here and type something like level. Just type, okay, you can put 1. Just put 1 there and click on generate, and you're going to see level 1. All right. Under level 1, that means a new referrers will get like 2% bonus for referring users. Enter 2, click on generate. Okay, I'm coming. So let's enter up to 5. So 4, and then what? 5. So we're going to have 5 tiers or 5 levels. Those who are still in level 1 will get like, let's say, 5% referral bonus, 10% referral bonus for the second level or second tier, 20%, 30%, and then 35% or 40%. Just be creative and do your own things, okay? And click on save. All right, so this is what it's going to look, how it's going to look like. After that, go to your identity form. Here, pick the one you want to configure on your site. I want to leave all of them as active, okay, so that they can choose, they can have options to choose or to pick from. If you want to disable this form, just click on status and then disable it, and that means users cannot use the ident or the passport form, okay? They can upload passport, only ID and then driving license. But I want to configure that one, so I'll click on it, and then field name, they can enter their passport name. The length, you can leave it as fixed or maximum length. Input type, so here it's already done for you, don't even touch it, okay? They can upload a file, and here the form validation is required, so everything is already set for you. Just leave everything here. All right, we have rule permissions. This is where you assign rules to other team members on your website. Okay, so we are almost done with those settings. We are not going to set SMS, forget about it. Push notifications. This is what we call push notifications. It's called Pusher. All right, you can create an account with Pusher by clicking on this link, and they'll give you some keys. Paste those keys here. Make sure you enable push notifications and save changes. You can also make YouTube search on how to get your Pusher details. You get them and then paste them here, and that's it. There's even a video here that will walk you through the whole process. All right, I don't want this video to be super long. Now go to manage logo and search engine optimization. This is where you change your website logo. Click here and then pick logo for your website. That's a white version of your logo, dark version, and then a favicon. Favicon is this icon you always, or this logo you always see here. Those things are what? Favicons. Upload that here and then click on save. Search engine optimization. Get or upload your logo here, or you can design a banner for your website. Upload that banner here. Enter keywords, description, social title, social description. These things are important because your website will appear on Google. And when it appears on Google, these details will be visible. You don't want to have these details, you want to have your own details. All right, so after that, click on what? Save changes. Now the final thing and most important thing we're going to be doing on our website is to set up our mining or our miners. Okay, the developer called this thing miners, but before that, go to breadcrumb, upload a breadcrumb for your site. If you don't know what a breadcrumb is, let me show you. Open your site. Now any page you visit, on top you see some background image. Any page you visit, you see background image. You see there's a background image. Any page you visit, you see background image. That one is called a breadcrumb. All right, so this is where you configure that. It's here. Remove it and put your own breadcrumb. You can also put another one here. All right, click on save changes, manage content, and this is where you manage the main content on your site. So go to hero, and then I'll also go to hero by click on my logo or home. Now this is the hero area. We can manage our content, our main content here under hero. Discover more. So this is the notice area. Discover more beneficial crypto is here. So that's where you replace them. Enter those details. Your other language, Spanish. Enter the translated version here. If you want to have multiple currency or different currency on your site, and then the button name in English is called Get Started, but in Spanish it's called Empezar. And then save changes. After that, do that for the rest of your pages. I hope this is clear now. Go to about, and change your about as text, everything. Go to the translated version, change that one there, and then save changes. So you do that for the rest of your pages. Before we forget, go to content settings, and then this is where you manage your features, your statistics, and this is where you see your numbers. All right, you can click here and then you enter those numbers. Remember these numbers. Okay, so go through that list and then change everything. Your testimonial, frequently asked questions, your social networks, you can update those things there. Right, then your support details. We have your legal pages too here. With that out of the way, let's now create our mining list under investment. So we're going to get a name, our mining code, total plans, your status, and action. Just click on add new. Here the mining name is what name do you want to give to this miner? So let's say this Bitcoin. All right, leave it like this, and then here can be BTC. Minimum payout amount. You can only get payouts after they reach maybe $100. The maximum payout can be 1,000. Click on active and then click on what? Save. You can do that for Litecoin, Ethereum, those cryptocurrencies. But this video, I'm only going to show you how to configure Bitcoin. Go to create plan, and we're going to give our plan a name. So under Bitcoin, we want to have several packages. So here can be basic plan, and basic, we're going to price it. So let's say any person that buys $50 or that pays $50, profit per day, every day, what's the profit this person will get? So you enter that profit there. So I don't know what you want to put, but maybe let's say every day the person will get, let's just say 5. Okay, $5 per day. Your hash rate, you can put lower number there. Let's just say 20. Okay, this doesn't make anything on the site. Let's just put it there for decoration purposes. Status, leave it as active. Now your miner, we want it to be on Bitcoin. Profit type, do you want it to be a fixed profit type or random profit type? You have to get creative and come out with your method. If you want it to be a fix, just leave it as fix. Now duration, take note, $5 per day multiplied by your duration. You have to get creative here. So let's say 5 times 10 days, they're going to get 10, and they're going to get $50, and they're not going to get any return on investment. So you have to be creative and come out with a value that they'll get return on investment. All right, so you're taking this money to do something. It's an investment. I don't know what you are planning to do with it, but that's it. So let's say this can run like 12 days. All right, so they'll get 60. Okay, now referral commission, any person that joins his referral link and purchase a basic plan is going to get maybe 5% commission. Do you want to make it featured? You can leave it. You can also leave it as unfeatured. Now here we are going to upload a logo for our miner, that's Bitcoin. You can just go to YouTube, and I say YouTube, you can just go to Google and type Bitcoin logo like this, hit enter. Please, let's download this one, save image, click on, you can give it a name, Bitcoin, click on save, go back to your site, click here, upload the logo, and then click on what, save. But first let's check, cross check. All right, so let's click on what, save, and we are done. So that's how you do it. Please use that same method and then do it for the rest of your plans. So let's reload the site. Our site is fully loaded. Let's go to our plans, and here we have our plan. All right, for 12 days, referral bonus here. Okay, now you see this mine stack thing here. You can actually change it by, it's very simple to do. Let's see the plan. Okay, here, plan. Make sure this mine stack, you put your site name there. So let's say solo mine, and then click on save. You can also change the translated version. After that, when you now reload this page, it should change. This is very simple. Okay guys, this is not difficult. This is not programming. Okay, this is just like a content management system. You click edit, very simple. This area you can also do the same thing by going to why choose us here, and then you can update your details. So here's services. All right, here services, why choose us, but the actual content or the main content is under content control or content settings. Let's go to content settings, and then you look for why choose us, and then this way you can now change the actual details, guys. So that's it, guys. We've successfully completed a full video on how to build crypto investment website. It took me 1 week to research, record, edit, and upload this video. I got to some point and I was confused. I contacted the developer, did a lot of research before coming out with this video. Other people in my space have made it look complicated and then confusing, but successfully I've been able to address that issue. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. If you want to build a betting website, check the description or the card, and then it will show you step by step how to do that. That video will also pop up on your screen on how to build a betting platform. I have a lot of videos on this YouTube channel that show you how to build your own websites. If you are serious watching these videos, you can get yourself or start a full business for yourself. I am running my own online business plus this YouTube thing. For the knowledge I have, I'm able to set up my own site without even coding. So there's no excuse, no reason not to even start. Do something great for yourself this 2024. Thank you, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.